Welcome back to the Titan series by Exodus Capital. I'm John, your guide through the battle of brilliance. And today, we're witnessing a true heavyweight clash. It's the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, facing off against the ultimate disruptor, Elon Musk. Two titans, two radically different approaches, and one burning question: who's got the edge in today's fast-changing world? On one side, you've got Warren Buffett, a legend who built his empire on patience, discipline, and a relentless focus on value. He's the master of long-term thinking, the king of compounding, and the guy who can spot a great business from a mile away. For decades, Buffett's approach has been about finding solid companies, holding on tight, and letting time do the heavy lifting. On the other side, you've got Elon Musk, the definition of disruption. He's not just building companies, he's launching rockets, electrifying cars, and pushing the boundaries of what technology can do. Musk's philosophy is all about innovation, speed, and taking risks that most people wouldn't even dream of. He's betting on the future, and he's not afraid to shake up entire industries to get there. So here's the real question. In a world that's changing faster than ever, whose investing philosophy should you be paying attention to in 2025 and beyond? Is it the steady, proven wisdom of Buffett, or the bold, future-focused vision of Musk? Or maybe there's something to learn from both. Stick around till the end, because we're breaking down what this epic face-off means for your future in stocks, AI, and building real wealth. Whether you're looking to play it safe or go all in on the next big thing, you'll want to hear how these two legends can shape your strategy for the years ahead. And hey, if you're getting value from this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you the real stories and strategies that matter. And don't forget to get your friends, your co-workers, and even your uncle with 5 side hustles to tap in. Let's start with the players. On one side, we have Warren Buffett, a legend in the world of investing, whose name is synonymous with patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of business fundamentals. On the other, Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur known for his relentless drive, bold ideas, and willingness to take risks that most would never dare. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. With a net worth of over $130 billion, Buffett has built his fortune over decades, carefully analyzing companies and making calculated investments. He's not just an investor, he's a symbol of steady, long-term wealth creation. Buffett is famous for value investing, finding companies that are undervalued by the market and holding on to them for years, sometimes decades. His portfolio includes giants like Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express. These aren't just investments, they're testaments to his belief in strong brands and solid management. His strategy is slow, steady, and surgical. Buffett pores over financial statements, looking for hidden gems. He's like a chess master, thinking several moves ahead, always focused on minimizing risk and maximizing long-term returns. He once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." In other words, Buffett thrives when the market is in chaos. While others panic, he sees opportunity, buying quality companies at bargain prices and waiting patiently for the market to recover. Now, enter Elon Musk, the disruptor, CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and more. His net worth fluctuates around $200 billion, making him one of the richest people on the planet. But Musk's wealth is just a byproduct of his ambition to change the world. Musk is known for taking massive risks, moving at breakneck speed, and betting on technologies that could shape the future. From electric cars to reusable rockets, he's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. His companies aren't just businesses, they're missions to redefine entire industries. Elon is not here to play it safe. He's driven by a vision of a better future, whether it's colonizing Mars, revolutionizing transportation, or transforming the way we use energy. For Musk, failure is just a stepping stone to success. Where Buffett buys undervalued companies and lets time do the heavy lifting, Musk builds companies from scratch, aiming to define the next century. Their approaches couldn't be more different, but both have left an indelible mark on the world of business and investing. When it comes to investing, Warren Buffett is the embodiment of patience and discipline. He's spent decades perfecting a philosophy that centers on the fundamentals, those core financial truths that don't change with the latest trends or market fads. Buffett's approach is almost like that of a master chess player, always thinking several moves ahead, never rushing, and always prioritizing the long-term outcome over short-term excitement. He buys companies based on their ability to generate consistent cash flow, strong earnings, and what he calls intrinsic value, the true worth of a business, not just its current stock price. Buffett pores over financial statements, looking for businesses with solid foundations, reliable management, and a proven track record of weathering economic storms. The result? His portfolio is a model of calm and calculated decision-making. It's built to withstand market turbulence and is mostly immune to the hype and noise that often send other investors into a frenzy. Buffett's style is about slow, steady growth, protecting wealth and letting it compound over time. But then there's Elon Musk, a completely different force in the world of business. Musk himself says, "I'm not an investor, I'm an engineer." He's driven by innovation, disruption, and a relentless pursuit of the future, not by traditional financial metrics. Yet, in a twist of irony, Musk's companies, especially Tesla, have delivered some of the most explosive stock market returns in history. Tesla's stock alone has soared by over 13,000% in just the past decade, turning early believers into millionaires and capturing the imagination of investors worldwide. So what's the lesson here? Buffett stands as the champion of wealth preservation, showing that slow and steady can indeed win the race for those who value security and consistency. Musk, on the other hand, is the poster child for wealth acceleration. His journey is a wild roller coaster, full of risk, volatility, and breathtaking highs. But for those who can stomach the ride, the rewards can be extraordinary. And in today's rapidly evolving market where artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and automation are reshaping entire industries, both approaches offer valuable lessons. The world is changing faster than ever, and investors must decide how to adapt. Whether you lean toward Buffett's steady hand or Musk's bold vision, both philosophies have their place in the modern investment landscape. It's not about which is better, but about which aligns with your personal goals, risk tolerance, and vision for the future. So, as you look at your own financial journey, ask yourself, are you seeking to preserve what you've built, or are you ready to accelerate toward new frontiers? The choice is yours. Now let's talk about the elephant, or should I say robot, in the room: artificial intelligence. Elon Musk has warned about AI, but also invests in it. Tesla runs on AI, X uses AI. Meanwhile, Buffett, cautious. He's admitted he doesn't understand AI enough to bet big on it yet, but AI is already reshaping the stock market. Trading algorithms, predictive analysis, automated portfolio management. The game is changing fast. And if you're still investing like it's 1995, you're going to get left behind. Look, if you're serious about using this financial revolution to your advantage, if you want to learn how AI is reshaping investing and how to position yourself before the next big wave hits, then you need to check out our AI Stock Mastery course at Exodus Capital. We built it for people who want real insight, without wasting years trying to figure it out alone. So just hit the link in the description or go to exoduscapital.com. Buffett's investing style beat the market for decades, but even he missed some tech giants in their early days. Elon, on the other hand, he's all in on mover advantage. He doesn't just predict trends, he creates them. So who's winning? Well, that really depends. If you started investing in the 1980s, Buffett's style likely made you a millionaire. But if you rode the Tesla wave since 2012, you probably made 10 times that. So ask yourself, are you building slow, stable wealth, or are you playing to own the future? Listen, both these titans have something to teach us. Buffett teaches discipline, patience, and risk management. Elon teaches vision, boldness, and leveraging the power of new tech. At Exodus Capital, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between the two. You need both. You need modern tools with timeless principles, and that's exactly what our stock investing and AI stock mastery courses are built for. So tap the links below to start learning what they won't teach you on YouTube. If you got value from this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your group chat, your mentor, your barber, anyone who needs a financial glow up. Because the more you support this, the more the algorithm pushes it to those who really need it. This is John from Exodus Capital, signing off from the Titan series. See you in the next one.